which is this, and this connects to the backpack. So we're just going to grab the backpack here, which is hung up on the wall dock. So this is a lightweight, comfortable backpack which fits any user. So the first thing to do is we're going to undo the belt and put the shoulder straps on. Okay, so adjusting the straps, you can pull these to get it nice and tight. You can loosen them as well. Okay, so you want these nice and tight so that the battery is on the waist, and you've got a belt here which keeps the battery hooked to your waist. So the battery, which is one of the heavier components, is actually on your hips. There's no weight on the shoulder straps. Some of the backpacks, when you put it on, you can feel it pulling backwards, but it's really, this one is very comfortable. The weight of the disinfectant and the battery, you actually carry it on your waist, not on your shoulder straps. You don't need to take the backpack off to refill it. You can just quickly change the bottle or refill it and keep the backpack on. The advantage of that backpack is that we use a coiled cable and a coiled water pipe. So this is flexible. It gives you the manoeuvrability when you're going around spraying the disinfectant. We also use military grade connectors. The military actually use these metal connectors on their radios. So we've been using them for 3 years. They're extremely reliable. On the top here, you've got 2 red dots. Just line up the red dots and click into place. The water line is, this just pushes into there like so. Make sure they're pushed in tight. You've got a blue switch on here which activates the pump. So this is a demand switch. You hold this down to make it spray. So we should be ready to go. Okay, so we're now spraying the disinfectant.